Alright, here we have the Majestouch 2 Filco Cherry MX Black, and we have the Leopold Cherry MX Reds. I've been using them both a lot for gaming. For typing, I was liking the Filco a lot, but I noticed after typing on either my membrane or going back and forth between the red and the membrane, going back to the black, I noticed fatigue again. Especially if you're doing lots of typing, I get fatigue with this. Maybe it's preference, maybe if you're just going to use this all the time and you get used to it, it's probably fine, but I love these, the Cherry MX Reds. Typing, I mean, this is great for typing, gaming. The blacks, this is like I said before, this is the best keyboard. I mean, but you know, it's stiff, but I knew this beforehand, but I had to try it out for myself to see if, you know, it was worth it. But for $150, I don't know if this is worth it. This here is $99 from EliteKeyboards.com, and I guess that's about it. I mean, I'll do some typing tests, let you hear it. It's the Filco Majestouch Cherry MX Black keyboard and a Leopold Cherry MX Red keyboard. I prefer the Cherry MX Reds over the blacks. Sound difference. Both are great keyboards. This has more of a smooth feel. This is slightly textured. And this is $99. This is like $150. Both weigh about the same. This is cool. It has the USB. It detaches. Other than that, I like how Filco, they rubberize everything. The feet down here, less slide. Alright, this is the Leopold keyboard with the Cherry MX switch in it, and I'll let you hear what it sounds like. I really do prefer the reds over the black switches, even though this is a really nice board. I actually even like the logo layout, everything better, but this is really good for gaming and typing. Alright, this is what the Filco Cherry MX Black sound like. Alright, this is what I was talking about with the Leopold keyboard. I contacted their support and they said it has wire stabilizers in the bigger keys. Like, you'll hear That's what that sounds like, bottoming out, and that's what the bigger keys sound like. They said maybe it'll loosen up over time. But like you'll notice on the shift, it bottoms out. So, also on the enter, well, the enter, not as bad. But this shift, I mean, you can see on the Filco, it bottoms out on all of them. I like the Filco a lot. I just don't know if this is worth, you know, 150 bucks. If these were the Cherry MX Reds, yeah, I'd say yeah, go for it, 150 bucks. But this is $99 at EliteKeyboards.com, and the quality is great. Alright, that's it.